You are still eating your breakfast?
Yeah.
And you know you were late for school?
Almost.
You know I'm traveling today. I'm going to my business trip. So be a good girl.
I will.
Be a good girl. And please, stay away from that your friend Esther.
Oh.
Please.
But she's not as bad as you
Hear me,
think.
Sue. Stay away from that girl. Okay?
Yes.
And I don't bring anybody to this house.
No,
okay?
I won't.
Okay. So I'll call you, okay?
Buy me something nice.
Like?
Gucci bag.
I will. Bye.
Your sister, I'll be best friend and I. Would you me African buy? I'm so lonely. You're just a friend. Come visit me.
What's up with you and Richard? Richard? I don't know.
Kind of complicated right now.
Like?
You know, he's asked me to allow him to come and visit me at my house.
That's fantastic. That's romantic.
What's romantic about that?
You guys are dating. You need to go to the next step.
But you know my sister has want me not to allow anyone to.
You only live once. You need to do that opportunity. You only have once.
How can I allow him to come to the house? She will kill me if she finds out.
She's not even here. She won't even find out if you don't tell her.
And that's not the only thing, you know. He kind of asked me to send him naked pictures of me.
Oh, that's fantastic. That's romantic. That's
Esther.
the best part. You guys are dating. You guys are dating. It's something normal.
How can
You're
I
showing
send
him
him my naked pictures?
You're showing him the way you love him. It's love.
Love.
It's love. I'm telling you. Or do you want him to dump you? It's up to you. It's up to you. It's up to you.
How could it feel like this so? If you touch my feet, I'm gonna tell Romeo I've been 16 years. How could it feel like this so? If you touch my feet, I'm gonna tell Romeo. Hey, when you come, when you deep, keep the pace. Hey.
Hello. Fine. Come in.
Fantastic. Anyway, what are you for?
Thank you. You want something to drink?
Yeah, a drink will be okay.
Okay.
It's after now, baby.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Let's see.
What's shaking?
Hey, what life is he?
Thank you.
I'm going for ice cubes in back.
Ice cream? You want ice cream?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Come.
Oh, that's it.
Some ice cream. Let me help you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let's have some drinks. Cheers.
How are you?
Fine.
Bokode. Wife, pound.
Thank you. What you drink?
Oh, I have something on the way, Timo. Enjoy yourself. So, Bokode. What's the time in November?
Go with it tomorrow.
Oh, okay. Tomorrow they send me a GGCM.
Like what? Are you serious?
Just kidding. I can be funny sometimes. Are you okay?
Yeah.
You will have more, but the second one. I will drink me a fine pound. Are you good? Let's see what's up.
Fine.
Are you okay? You have a cold. Sure.
My G. Yo, my nigga, what's poppin', man? Yeah, sit down, what's up?
Day. Ah, you the guy Chelsea. Miguel Chelsea.
Chelsea. Which one of them?
Yes, the one who lives down the street.
Oh, Chelsea, yeah, the girl of yours.
Don't shout, bro. Don't shout.
What's
Don't
poppin'?
shout.
Ooh, bro.
Man, kasa, bro.
When did you take these, man?
Yesterday,
Yesterday.
Wow, Russia side, bro.
Yeah, bro, send me.
Let me send it
real
to you
quick,
on
bro.
Snapchat real quick. You want all?
Yeah, I want all of them.
I have videos.
I want all of them.
Okay, let's be on Instagram, yeah?
Yeah, bro. Do not even forget one. Like, I need all of them. Like, you know what I mean?
Bro.
Oh my god. Chelsea.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Esther. Yeah. Oh my god, it's not what you think. Oh my god. It's not my fault.
It's not my fault. I told you to send me your naked pictures, not your... Yeah, but not with your face.
Give me... So who had... All over.
It's all over the world, I'm telling you. It's everywhere. I told you to send him your new pictures from your body, not from your face. No, you're...
All over the place. On social media. Oh my God. It's not...
It's your own fault. Girl, you're so dumb. Why are you so slow? Chelsea, you better don't come to school today. Just stay at home.
Let me explain. Give me... So who had...
You're so dumb. Just don't come to school.
Not my fault. Wait, let me... Oh God. Esther!
Look, you're so dumb.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Oh, bro. Yeah.
You don't want all?
Oh, all of them. How much is it? 20?
Oh, I get more.
Bro, send
I get
all
videos,
of them.
videos, crime, or
What?
videos. No,
Send
videos,
it, send it, bro.
Oh, Chelsea.
She's calling.
My God.
She's calling. Hello?
Hello? Richard? Richard, how could you do this to me?
Chelsea. Charlie. What's the same free me so called? I sang them. Don't call my phone again. Don't call me. She don't worry me. You, bro, you talk to her like this way, bro. Charlie. Some girl will come my house and my fast. I mean, do girl be by me home. It's in your share. Why?
Okay, bro. Yeah, do all, bro.
Hello? Hey, Jessie! Hey! What's wrong with you? Jessie!
Dear sister, I'm sorry, but I can't live with the shame of having my naked pictures shared on social media. Your little sister.
Hallo, ja, ich bin Frau Futu. Ich brauche Krankenwagen. Ja, ich meine Schwester. Okay, danke, tschüss. Oh, Jessie. Oh, God. Oh, Jessie. Jessie. Jessie, what happened to you? Oh, Jessie. You see what you have done to yourself. You see the disgrace. Oh, God. Oh, God. Jessie. Jessie, please, I'm back. Jessie, look at me. Jessie, look at me. I'm back. Look at me. I bought your Gucci bag. Jessie, please don't do this to me. Jessie, I'm back. Look at me. Jessie, please, Jessie, don't do this to me, please. Oh, Jessie, please, I'm back. Oh, Jessie, look at me. I'm back. Jessie, look at me. Oh, Jessie.
Drives the rain, and my roof is in the dust. Loved of wise men was the
Have you seen the kind of mess you have gotten yourself into? But I don't blame you. But how like me say me catch you say, stay away from that girl. I told you, I've advised you several times, but you don't want to understand me. In any situation that you find yourself in this world, whatever will happen, you don't have to kill yourself. Suicide is not an option. No. It's a sin against God to kill yourself. Do you know where your soul is going? No. When you kill yourself, do you know where your soul will go? You don't know. So you don't have to, that your naked picture is in social media and now that's not the end of the world. People go through a lot, but they are still alive. So never think about suicide in your life. Okay?
Yes.
And I told you to stay away from that girl. I've been telling you, stay away from that girl. And as for Richard, that guy, I will deal with him. I've given the case to police and the law will take care of that. He will never go free because what this guy, a dear guy where I am like, I don't know what came over him. And I don't want to see you around Richard again. He will never go free. And I don't want you to go close that guy again. Never. Stay away from that guy. Have you heard? Do you hear me? Stay away from that guy. Delete his number from your phone. Never call that guy again. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay?
Thank you, sister.
You are welcome, sister.
Thank you so much for everything. Thank you for your patience. Thank you so much.
You know you are all that I have. So I'm here for you all the time. In anything bad or good, talk to me. I'll listen to you. Okay? And be a good girl for me. Okay? Be a good girl. You'll be fine. Okay? You'll be fine. You'll be fine.